Hello friends, once again welcome back to my another video of craft. You will see very beautiful and very pretty old denim jeans craft into beautiful different things. The transformation of old jeans into beautiful crafts is also a quite rebellion against the throwaway culture. In a world obsessed with trends and fast fashion, where garments are often worn just a few times before being discarded, using old denim for crafting is an act of mindful resistance. It honors the idea that everything we own has value beyond its initial purpose, value that simply needs to be seen through a different lens. Denim, unlike many synthetic fabrics, ages gracefully. It wears in rather than wears out. The softening of the fiber time passed and experiences lived. These imperfections are not flaws, they are features. When repurposed, they lend a depth of character that cannot be manufactured or imitated. The crafting process itself often invites a sense of reflection as hands work through familiar folds or fabric memories return. The jeans might have once belonged to a child who has now grown, a loved one no longer near, or may carry the wear of your own journey through various chapters of life. By incorporating these garments into something new, you are not erasing history, you are weaving it into a fresh narrative. Denim, unlike many aesthetic fabrics, ages gracefully. It wears in rather than wears out. The softening of the fibers, the unique fading of the color, and the fraying of the edges all tell the story of time past experiences lived. There is also a special kind of pride that comes from turning something old into something admired. The satisfaction is not just in the final product, but in the transformation, the journey from forgotten to cherished. This act redefines the very concept of beauty, not as something pristine or untouched, but as something shaped by hands, enriched by time, and elevated through care. Community craft circles and eco-conscious workshops often use denim crafts to promote conversations around sustainability, self-sufficiency, and creativity. These gatherings are not just about making objects, they are about making connections with the material, with each other, and with the world. Each scrap of denim becomes a shared resource, a piece of a collective tapestry. Denim's versatility also allows for a wide range of techniques to be explored, from simple hand stitching and braiding to more advanced forms like quilting or patchwork. The material invites learning and growth. Crafters often find themselves developing new skills, discovering patience, and experiencing the quiet confidence that comes with mastering a technique. These are not just technical lessons, they are life lessons taught gently through the rhythm of the work. Moreover, denim crafting allows you to contribute something personal to your space. Unlike store-bought decorations or accessories, handmade denim creations carry your own energy. They are born of your time, your hands, your thoughts. They don't merely decorate a room, they add soul to it. Guys, I really hope that you really will love all the craft that I will share you in this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.